Verkada has really reimagined physical security. We've taken it from a customer-centric approach, and we've really transformed what we're doing in this space where we're seeing incredible growth, certainly with HBS. One of the things that HBS has built that highlights our go-to-market together is HBS Secure with Verkada. What this allows is us to mutually go to market together to build a unified, service-oriented offering that ultimately adds mutual benefit to the clients that we serve.
Customers come to us because they know we can take care of them from the design to the installation and then the services after post-installation. So with us, they get the full suite of services.
What you can expect from Verkada as a company and through our best partners is rapid innovation to be our customers' best provider in this space. We take the responsibility very seriously. Not only are we protecting our clients' places, but most importantly, and what's personal to me and Verkada, is that we're protecting people. When we're entrusted to do that, it's a mission that we're proud to go lead.
So if you're in the market today for a best-in-class physical security solution, come to HBS and our partnership with Verkada, we will be able to take care of you.